Krishna says how to get out of this three material meditation. Mam che obhyabacharena bhakti yogena sevate sagunan samatitetan brahma bhuyaya kalpate. Mam che obhyabacharena. Obhyabacharena means unmixed devotion. So only by pure devotion to me, mam chayo obhyabacharena bhakti yogena sevate. When he worships, when he serves me in bhakti yoga, sagunan samatitetan, then he transcends these three gunas, brahma bhuyaya kalpate. Then he attains that Brahman, that is Lord's qualities. He is equal to the Lord's quality. So here Krishna ends with this quality that only by devotion service he can attain this Brahma Bhuta stage. So I will just end with only one thing here, which I wanted to explain from the beginning itself. That we speak about Paramatma, we speak about Brahman, we speak about Bhagavan. What is the difference? How to understand this? In Bhagavatam, we have this beautiful shloka. Vadanti tattva vidas tattvam yajnanamadvayam brahmeti paramatmeti bhagavaniti shapyate. Lord can be realized in these three stages. One is Brahman, Paramatma, Bhagavan. What is Brahman, Paramatma, Bhagavan? Just one small example to understand, because this is an example which is given in Bhagavatam itself. But I am going to modify the example. Like in a city or in a village, government has just now announced, in your village, new train is going to come. Everybody is excited. Okay, new train is going to come. So everybody is waiting for the train. Everybody is waiting to see the train. So night time, everybody arrive. 9 o'clock, train is going to arrive. IRCTC, everybody announced. Okay, everyone comes. Whole village comes to see the train. And it's an Indian train. So always it will take time. So they said 9 o'clock, already 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. थोड़ी सी देर में आएगी, थोड़ी सी देर में आएगी, మరి కొద్దిసేపట్లో వచ్చేసను అంటే చెప్తాను. they keep on telling. இன்னும் சிறிது நேரத்தில் வந்து சேரும் எதிர்பார்க்கப்படுகிறது. இப்படி okay, I'm confusing three languages. So the train, the person is keep on announcing, okay, it is going to come, it is going to come, it is going to. People, they are restless.